YB2386BN. Brushed nickel finish provides a lightly brushed warm gray metallic look. Pro Fit installation system, including template with a built-in level, eliminates set screws for faster, more secure mounting. Coordinates with other faucets and accessories in the Glyde collection. Designed for hassle-free installation. Elegantly simple, the Glyde collection's graceful curves and contours flow as beautifully as the faucet's water stream, creating a transitional style that spans a variety of decorating trends. Top reviews from the United States. They were easy to install and look nice. I bought 2 of these for a bathroom update. They were easy to install and look nice. There is one thing you can't tell by the pictures, the back of the ring is open and flat. I still like them but was surprised as they look completely round in the pictures.